I have my cupcake buttered. Ang amoy ng amoy. So, nilagyan ko siya ng toppings. Fresh fruit, blueberry combination. So, ang kanyang mixture ay buttered. Okay, wow. So, yummy, guys. Well, guys, I'm so impressed because, you know, I want to be a productive evening. Good evening to all. Yeah, we will have cupcake and milk. Baby, no. It's hot. It's hot. My baby get that. No, baby, no. It's hot. It has 360-degree burn ka. Oh, baby. Yep. Yep, it's hot, baby. Wow. Okay. It's not difficult to bake the muffins. This is muffins or cupcake. Actually, this is cupcakes. I make some cupcakes, buttered, and then I put combination in the toppings with fresh blueberry. What's that little hands there? No, baby, come here to mommy here. Okay.